everybody, so I hope everyone is doing well today. So I'm going to talk about how to become more realistic. For starters, you have to make sure you don't set the bar too high, because if you do, it will become unrealistic and you won't be able to achieve your goal. The second thing is to make sure you examine your goals carefully. Write down as much detail as possible and try to implement that each day, and make sure each and every detail is just as realistic as the big goal that you have in your mind. And last but not least is start very slow. If you're an extremely ambitious person like me, at times you may want to achieve more than one thing at a time. In most cases, that may not be true all the time, so you have to make sure you take your time and start out very slow. Start out with a mini goal, then reach up to the next goal, and it can be like a mini milestone that will lead to your major goal. And you gotta remember this, make sure you think of, as a realistic person, think of this as a marathon, not a race. You're not in competition with anyone but yourself. So make sure you don't make this a race. Make sure this is a marathon. And the last thing is make sure you are consistent in your goals. Consistency is key to being realistic. So I hope you found this video very useful. If you have any questions or concerns, please respond below, and otherwise I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.